Alright, so this right here is a unit that I've never showed before. It's another one of my little storage sheds here. You can probably hear the Goodman running in the background. I'm quite a ways away from it right now, but this unit here is in pretty rough shape, as you can tell by looking at it. And it's a GoldStar LG, one of the little pancake units, as I call them. And this thing has not been ran in a very long time. There's the compressor. LG Electronics. And oh, the compressor's made in China. Shame on LG for that. But it hadn't ran in years. I don't even know if it works, to be honest. But we're going to go in and take a look at it. It's our 22 unit. The coil's severely damaged, as you can tell. So let's walk on in here and look at the front. I can't turn it on because there's no power running to this building, but I can still show the unit. So here's what the unit looks like. It's pretty nasty. See the controls up there. And there's the data tag. I'll zoom in on it. It's a GW, oh, what is that? It's a 5,000 BTU R22 from, where's the serial number? It's from 2006 or 2003. Believe 2006. I'll have to double check on it. And it's made in China. It's one of them old cheap units. And like I said, there's no way for me to turn it on because it doesn't have power. You can see it a little bit better. It's got one of them little paddle fans in it like most LGs do. There's the controls. The filter's clean. The unit, it looks, you know, disgusting because it's weathered and faded and plastic's yellowed on it, but see if I can get this front off and we'll see how the coil looks. I'm right next to a chainsaw that's dripping. Let's see if I can, oh well. Oh, hello. I think Mr. Spider there is no longer with us. Now, that coil doesn't look too bad, but like I said, I don't know the history on this unit. I was told it works when I got this storage building, but yeah, but I figured I'd show this little unit because I haven't showed it. But anyways, see you on the next video. Bye for now.